Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will see how to create tables in Word. In today's video I'll show you the most common ways to create a table in Word and one of the important unique way to create the tables in Word. Let's start. Go to Insert. Here we have an option Table. From here you can select the rows and columns. Then click here. The table gets created. And the second way is go to Insert, under this table, Insert Table. Click on Insert Table. Here you can select number of columns and number of rows and click on OK. The second way is also created. The third method is very unique way to create a tables. Start typing plus, minus, again plus, minus. This minus is nothing but to get the width of the table. Plus, minus, plus, minus, again plus. Then click on enter. For this method the only rule is like first and last should be plus. Plus symbol should be mentioned. Next go to the last cell, click on tab, last cell, tab, last cell, tab, last cell, tab. In this way you can extend the table. These are some of the common ways to create the table in Word. For more videos please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.